Welcome G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-09, the Boiler Clinker Door for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-09, the Boiler Clinker Door for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up the MNGS. Okay, we'll do the right view. Could be front view, could be view, but right view sounds good. Smart Dimensions got into it. Try it again. We want, let's see now. It's actually a straight slot. So let me go there, there, and there. Okay, so dimension overall is going to be going to be 70 minus 56, because this part is 56. +56 plus 56. Oh, so it's not right. That's 70 from there to there. Let me delete that one. Oh, let me delete that one. Let's go from here to there. 56. That's better. Hey, raise would be half of that, not double. Went the wrong way. That's better. Okay, that's better. Yeah, it's been a long day. Okay, so that is set. So we've got 70 from there to there, which is 14 plus 56, which is 70. 56 from there to there. So that's all we need set there. I'm going to do the holes separately. Those different size holes. Yeah. So through, and this is 4 millimeters. Oh, 44, 4 mid plane, and good to go. And let's shove some brushed brass on there. It sounds good to me. Okay, so this side, any side really, but this side, sketch, click out and highlight. So we want one 4 millimeter hole. Make sure it's not locked to anything. And 3 millimeters hole. 1, 2, 3. So this one's 4 millimeters. Could do like drill holes and that, but I feel like doing this way. 3. So, oh, yeah, that one. Thank you. That one. Click on the outside, not the center. That's going to be equal. So then all 3. Okay, so this one here. If I can click it. Click it. Thank you. And that one will be horizontal. That's fine. So this measurement here, let's zoom in a bit. And this one here, oh, on the angle, will be 8 mil. This center and this center will be vertical. Okay, so now we got this this one here to this one here will be 5.5. That's the same with this one. 5.5. There's no measurement there. Oh, nope. I see it. Okay. There's, this is from this point to that point is 27. Wasn't quite what I was looking for it. And I need center of this one. Let me do a center line from there to there. Could have done all this in one go too, so there's no way, so that's fine. That's one. Where's the center point? We go there. Actually, hold on. We don't need that. We've got center point here. Oh no, we need that. Okay, no, there's no way. Don't mind me. So this point to this point will be horizontal. And smart dimension, if we go there and touch on there, will that give that point? It does. But we can't do anything with it. No, it doesn't. It's a mark on the screen. Oops. Okay, so if we try that again. If we go from there to there, if we go 0, it won't work with it. There you go. That worked. But if you've done the center line down, you can do it that way too. I've done 0, which I didn't expect 0 to work, but it worked. It worked. Okay, 0, which is right on the spot, does the same thing. So we've got one hole here, which is 4 mil. Got 3 here, which is 3 mil. It's 5.5 each side. That one. This is center, sorry. This is in line with horizontal, sorry. These two are 5.5. That's 8 mil. That's right. This should be a raise at 25. Just confirm that. Sorry, 28. 28 is raised 28, perfect. Same with that one, perfect. That's 27, and that's 70 from there to there, which you can't redo. So that's good. Okay, that's done, and that is 4 millimeters thick. Feature, extrude, 4 mil, and done. Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot. I've done this different layer, so that's fine. These things happen, so I can show you how to fix it. So if you do the wrong one, just delete that one. Go extrude. Oh, look. Get out of there. Extrude. Through all. And done. There we go. That's better. That's better. So that is that piece done. That is part 3-09. Boiler Clinker Door done. For the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, do subscribe. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed. And thank you for everyone that left comments. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.